this video, also we're not gonna start creating applications because first of all we need to explain a couple of things. So I already told you that we are going to use the toolbox in the properties a lot. So in this case, you have to know what are the toolbox. The toolbox is let's say control panel of your application, where there is some buttons, some texts, some a small applications, like already applications that has been created so you would be able to use it inside your application. So for the meantime, I'm just going to give a small example. We're not creating any application yet. We're just giving an example how to use the toolbox. All what you have to do is you have to choose one of these, okay? And you just press on the mouse and keep holding your mouse button, drag it and drop it here. So what I just did here is that I was adding a new toolbox called button to my applications, which means that I just added a button. So now my application have a button. So this button is not going to do anything because I did not give any command yet to this button. I did not tell the button what to do. So if we press now F5, now I have my application here with the button. As you can see, I can press on the button. It's already fine, but nothing is happening because I did not tell the button what to do. But now I have button in my application. So in this case, if I want to change anything regarding to this toolbox option that I just added, all what I have to do is go to the properties. So in the properties, this is when you control the font of the button, this is when you control the size, this is when you control the position, the text, the command, and the name that you are going to use inside your application. What I mean by the name, there's two names for this button, or let's say for the toolbox here. Anything you would add, there's two names for it. The first name is gonna change this button 1, and the second name, which is gonna use inside your application. So my name is Fadi and I have a nickname. So people call me Fadi, but when I want somebody to call me with my nickname, I give them my nickname. So this is also the same here. We have the name, which is gonna change only what you can see here, the appearance of the button. And the second name is going to be included inside your programming, inside the application programming. So this is how you add a toolbox from the toolbox bar over here to the application. All what you have to do again is to drag and drop. And of course, you can control the button the way you would like. And in the next video, we are going to start creating our very first application, and we're gonna learn how to adjust these buttons, these toolbox things, and how to control the properties, and then how to move to the programming part and start writing programming commands in order to launch our application.